Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, my daughter and I will be showing you how we created this creamy chicken and spinach fettuccine alfredo. In a pot, she drizzled 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, a half a cup of chopped onions, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Next, she added her chicken cubes that have been washed and seasoned off camera. Saute your chicken cubes, your onions, and garlic until your chicken is done and set aside. Next, she's making her creamy Alfredo sauce. She's added a tablespoon of, I can't believe it's not butter, 3/4 cups of chopped onions, and a tablespoon of garlic. Saute your butter, onions, and minced garlic until the veggies are tender. Then add a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream. Now she's adding 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and a cup and a half of shaved Parmesan cheese. Mix together until all the ingredients are incorporated. Now it's time to add the sauteed chicken. Make sure to taste your sauce and adjust your seasonings to your liking. Now she's adding fresh chopped spinach that has been washed thoroughly and drained. Mix together until the sauce thickens and your spinach is cooked. Last, add your pasta and simmer for a couple of minutes. And here's the finished product. Delicious, creamy chicken and spinach fettuccine alfredo. It tastes so good. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And bon appetit.